We continue the series of self-paced videos within Module 1, Uncovering Your True Self and Purpose, with driving forces. Referring back to the forest as our guiding metaphor, we said that personal values are like leaves, and core beliefs are like the ivy climbing the trees. Hence, the driving forces are like a trail you are building within the woods, so you can reach that patch of light and enchantment that you are setting as your goal. Let's figure out what we need to build that trail. What we're going to cover in this third video is vision and mission as the driving forces for your entrepreneurial aspirations. Going from what is a vision, what it looks like, how to draft it, followed by what is a mission, how it looks like, how to identify it, finishing with what to be aware of when it comes to both vision and mission statements. Then we will once more be switching towards an action-oriented approach focused on finding your vision and mission for your entrepreneurial drive. We will use Dill's logical model for this. Let's step one last time inside the forest. Like in any fairy tale, the hero is always pulled towards the heart of the woods by inexplicable forces, hoping to find there the goals they set to achieve. And without a doubt, they will find what they were coming for, either a challenge to overcome and win what their heart desires, or directly the answer to all their searching, exterior and interior one. So let's shed some knowledge onto these inexplicable forces and start with the heart of the woods, with that patch of light and enchantment, to find out why we naturally want to get there. The approach and answer to the question of what is a vision could be different from one person to the other. However, it will always entail a look into the future, with a mental image of what's to come, obtained through the act of power of imagination, applied to the future. When you apply a vision to the future, you can create this mental picture that can be used to direct your actions. A vision thus serves as a guide and can provide you with a sense of purpose. When you are faced with a decision or distraction, you can ask yourself if it will help or hurt you in attaining your vision. And this can offer you the means to move forward with intention and alignment, while always having something to return to when you get confused about your goals. Challenges are inevitable. When you run into a wall or a hurdle, you need to know which way to go. Vision provides you with something to look forward to and always work towards. It provides you with a reason to keep going even when the times get tough. Having a vision places a purpose upon your goal setting activities. Without an end goal or destination in mind, then you won't have a clear or defined path. Vision provides this. A vision is a way to answer your own why of life. It gives you the reason for your actions, choices, hopes, and desires. This fills your daily activities with meaning and purpose. When it comes to businesses and entities, it is common for them to write and share a vision statement. A vision statement is a written expression of the purpose and meaning behind the business that's intended for stakeholders, including employees and even customers. Here are some examples of vision statements, so you know what they look like. We've listed just a few of the most famous ones, going from full phrases to tweet levels. Put a man on the moon. It is what Kennedy said about NASA's space program. Ideas worth spreading, from TED. Make people happy, from Disney. A just world without poverty, from Oxfam. Building peace in the minds of men and women, UNESCO. Bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world, Nike. Provide access to the world's information in one click, Google. I am curious now if I've made you curious on how to draft your own vision statement. For entrepreneurs, business owners, and also individuals, knowing how to write a vision statement is a useful skill to have. Let's take a look at what components you need to write a strong vision statement. This can be applied to personal vision statements as well. Step 1. Reflect on your purpose and values. Start by reflecting on your entrepreneurial journey, passions, and the core values that drive you. What inspired you to start the business? What impact do you want to create in the world? Understanding your purpose and values will form the foundation of your vision statement. Consider the long-term direction you want your business to take. Envision that success and what success looks like for your venture and how it aligns with your personal goals and aspirations. Step 2. Define the future of your business. Project your business into the future and imagine its ideal state. What do you want your business to achieve in the long run? How do you envision your business making a positive difference in the lives of your customers, employees, and the community? Be specific and descriptive in your language, focusing on the transformative impact you intend to have and the unique value you will bring to the market. Step 3. Keep it short, make it memorable, and evoke emotion. A vision statement should contain a summary statement that is memorable and should say something about you, your organization, your operating environment, your dream. It should also be obvious and unashamedly passionate to evoke emotion. This way, you will have drafted your first or your newest vision statement for the entrepreneurial approach you are preparing for. Coming back to those inexplicable forces that pull the hero towards the heart of the forest, we now proceed towards the mission itself, as the trail we build within the woods to help us reach that vision of light and enchantment. So, what is a mission then? A mission statement is a concise statement that defines the fundamental purpose and reason for an entrepreneur to start a business. A mission statement outlines the core values and principles that will drive the entrepreneur's decision-making, strategy, and operations. The mission statement reveals what the entrepreneur's business does, how it does it, and why it does it, making it more specific and action-oriented. People who are interested to collaborate may also refer to the mission statement to see if the stated values align with their own. One can use a mission statement also to serve as a communication tool, clearly conveying the entrepreneur's business identity and purpose to potential customers, investors, and stakeholders. Mission statements aren't just for small or large companies. Many successful individuals, professionals, and investors have taken the time to craft a personal mission statement. These personal mission statements often incorporate the financial, professional, spiritual, and relational aspects of life. This in turn helps an individual maintain a healthy work-life balance that increases their personal achievement in all these areas. Let's also see how a mission statement looks like. And pay attention. Some companies, even some big ones like Nike, use the same statement for both vision and mission. It's not wrong, it's just that it may create a bit of confusion for those of you who like to keep their peas and carrots separate. Here are some examples of mission statements. We've listed just a few of the most famous ones. To prevent and alleviate human suffering in the face of emergencies by mobilizing the power of volunteers and the generosity of donors. American Red Cross. To create a world where anyone can belong anywhere, providing healthy travel that is local, authentic, diverse, inclusive, and sustainable. Airbnb. To conserve nature and reduce the most pressing threats to the diversity of life on Earth. World Wildlife Fund. To protect the rights of every child and ensure they grow up safe, healthy, and educated. UNICEF. To continually raise the bar of the customer experience by using the internet and technology to help consumers find, discover, and buy anything and empower businesses and content creators to maximize their success. Amazon. To bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. Nike. To organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Google. Are you ready to know how to draft your own mission statement? Here are 3 simple steps to identify your mission statement. Step 1. Define your core purpose. Start by understanding the fundamental reason behind starting your business. Reflect on your passions, values, and the problem your business aims to solve, or the value it provides to customers. Ask yourself why your business exists and what it seeks to achieve. This process will help you define your core purpose, which will serve as the foundation of your mission statement. Step 2. Identify your target audience and what you bring as being unique. Consider who your target audience or customers are and what specific needs or pain points your business addresses for them. Think about what sets your business apart from competitors and how your unique value proposition distinguishes you in the market. Incorporate these elements into your mission statement to showcase your commitment to serving your audience and delivering value in a distinctive way. Step 3. Craft a clear and concise statement. Keep your mission statement clear, concise, and focused. Aim to express your business purpose and objectives in a single sentence or a short paragraph, using simple and impactful language to convey the essence of your business. Ensure that your mission statement is memorable and easy to understand by all stakeholders, including employees, customers, and investors. Now you will have it as well, your own mission statement for the business you envision. Considering the weight and importance of having a vision and a mission, you should also know what to be aware of when creating such statements. A vision or a mission doesn't need to have only business goals. Actually, it can consist of personal goals, physical health, career goals, educational goals, and about any other aspect of life. No matter what aspect you choose to focus on, you can define and attain your vision and mission with effort, determination, and focus. A good vision helps build a picture, the same picture, in people's minds. It does this because it is clear, it is inspiring, and it communicates a compelling and shared vision for the future. When a vision statement is well crafted and effectively communicated, it conveys a common purpose, a direction, and a set of goals that everyone within an organization or community can rally behind. When writing any of vision or mission statements, be sure to make it clear and use unequivocal language. You should not use business speak or words like maximize or minimize or any other type of jargon. A well-defined statement leaves little room for ambiguity. It paints a vivid and concise picture of the desired future state, ensuring that everyone comprehends the overall direction and purpose. Keep the vision and mission statements concise and to the point. Long-winded statements may dilute the impact and make it harder for people to remember and internalize them. Also, while a vision statement should be written in the present tense, it needs to be forward-looking to depict what you aim to achieve. On the other hand, mission statements are more specific and focused on the present and immediate future, describing what the organization or individual is doing now to achieve the long-term vision. It is a good approach to research a bit the market you are entering or operating within when creating such statements. Get inspired from it, but avoid simply copying from other companies or organizations. Your vision and mission should be unique and reflect the specific goals and values of the entity it represents, as well as the way it sets to achieve those goals. We now propose to you Action 3. Find your vision and mission using Dill's logical model. You won't need to grab a pen and paper to write down the questions, as the model has 8 layers that need to be discovered, preceded by opening questions and ending with closing questions. It would be quite a lot to write, so instead you'll find it as food for thought in your working journal. This way you can take your time to answer each level thoroughly and properly benefit from the insights this tool may hold. This is only a picture of the tool itself, Dill's logical model of 8 layers. It will help you find your vision and mission by applying it to your entrepreneurial activity and to your business. You have all the details in your working journal, so reach out for it. And if you feel you would rather do it together with a coach, make sure to register for a session and ask to work on this particular topic. We end this video by saying, your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside dreams. Who looks inside awakes. This quote by Carl Jung is a powerful reminder that a clear vision emerges from within oneself. It encourages introspection and self-awareness to discover what truly matters and aligns with one's authentic aspirations. By looking inward and understanding your deepest desires, we can be awakened to our true vision and pursue it with passion and determination.